Now going up and down stairs on crutches can seem quite scary, but it's really not that hard. Bear with me. We're going to keep the crutches. Rule number one, keep the crutches with the bad leg. If the right leg is the bad leg, the crutches and the right leg stay together. If you can keep that down, the rest just makes sense. So we're going to come up pretty close to the step if we're coming up. We're going to put our weight through our hands. We're going to come up with the left side. So we're coming up with the good side. Push to the left, bring the crutches with you. Bring the right foot with you as well. Then we're going to push through our hands again. Bring the left foot up. Then we're up here. Now, coming down can be scary. Don't worry. Keep rule number one in mind. We're coming down the stairs with the crutches and bad foot first. Yes, the bad foot first. We're going to put our weight through our hands. We're going to smoothly come down with the left foot. And if your weight bearing is tolerated or toe touch weight bearing, you can lightly put that foot on the step. For this video, I'm just going to keep it up. So same thing, coming down to the bottom step, crutches, right foot, then bring the good side. That's all it is to it.